What's the meaning of Cagney and Lacey? Cagney and Lacey. Cagney and Lacey.
Cagney and Lacey. Cagney and Lacey. Cagney and Lacey is a television show that aired from 1982 to 1988. It follows the lives of two female police detectives, Christine Cagney and Mary Beth Lacey, as they navigate their personal and professional struggles in a male-dominated field. The show was known for its portrayal of strong, complex female characters and tackling social issues such as sexism, racism, and domestic violence. It received critical acclaim and multiple awards, including 2 Emmy Awards for Best Drama Series. Cagney and Lacey has become a cultural icon and a symbol of female empowerment in television.